1, 2, 3, do the Nicki Minaj blink.
I'm about to buy a mirror for real, bro. Cause what is this, honey? What is this, honey? What's up, baddies? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve my bombshell curls. Like a baddie, my Kim K curls. That's what I used to call them, because my girl always had a middle part with some curls. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I achieve my bombshell curls, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like to curl my hair while it's still tied up because I like to pull the curling iron kind of tight. I don't use lace glue, so I feel like it's best when you tie it up and curl it like that. You don't really run the risk of lifting your lace. Because once it's laid, baby, it's laid. So yeah, just pull out all that excess hair. But when I get to the top, I will take the scarf off. But from the bottom, I'm going to do those while it's still tied up. So now I'm going to go in with some Argan oil of Morocco. And this is by the company OGX. And literally, that's too much. A little goes a long way, for real, for real. I'm just going to run this all throughout my hair. Like so. Make sure you get those ends. And so then I'm gonna part. How do I usually curl my hair? 1, 2. I usually just do 2, 3 sections, like the back, the middle, and then top section. So I'm just gonna part the back section. And I'm gonna section this part off. And so this back look. What wig, okay? So this back section, I'm gonna split it into 2s. Since I want these curls to last a while, I'm actually gonna be doing them as pin curls. This curling iron I'm using is from the company Ion. I got it from Sally Beauty, and this is like the biggest size they have. I used to use this a long time ago, like 2014. This was like my go-to curling iron. So after I curl it, I just grab it like this. I find the hole. And I just twist it back up. And I get one of my duckbill clips and I just pin it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest. So I feel like hey Tony TV. Okay. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to come back when it's a little closer so I can give you guys more of a detailed view, you know?
1, 2, 3, do the Nicki Minaj blink. Cause these hoes so crusty, hoes so busted. These bitches is my sons and now I want custody.
Okay, so baddies, I have curled all my hair. And I've taken out my pin curls. I haven't brushed them out. Let me see. Let me show you. So I haven't brushed them out. I just pulled them out, literally. So now I'm going to brush it out. And I'm using... I don't really always use... You don't have to use a Denman brush. You just have to use one of those. You have to use one of them brushes, you know. So I'm just going to brush it out. If my mirror will want to work. I'm about to buy a mirror for real, bro. Because what is this, honey? What is this, honey? So I'm just going to brush it out. Well, I'm not really brushing it out. I'm really focusing more so on the top part to make sure it's uniform. And then I'm getting, this is a Conair, I think this is a teasing brush. So I'm going to use that to smooth it out. For the curls, let me stand up. So for the curls, I just finger comb them because these are big curls, so I really don't want them to fall that much, but I don't want it to look like, you know, I don't want it to look like I'm trying too hard, but I also don't want it to look like girl, did you even try? Did you even try? Finger comb that part, but the top part, I usually just use a brush to make sure everything is nice and uniform and smooth. Oh, it's giving... That bitch tastes like cherry. So next I go on with my bed head, and this is the after party cream. And so I don't even use a full pump. Sometimes it'll be extra stuff on the top, like it's stuff on the lid. Honestly, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll just use like half a pump, maybe not even half of a pump, just that much, because you don't need a lot. And I'll mix it up, and I like this because it helps with flyaways a lot. And I just put it right here. It like makes your hair shiny, but not oily shiny, greasy shiny. And then I go back in with my teasing brush and I just smooth everything down. You could go in with a hot comb, but I noticed when I use a hot comb, I don't know if it's the heat reactivating it, but it'll make the flyaways stick out more. So that's why you should just hot comb first and then go in with this later. And then for my holding spray, I like to use my TRESemme Micro Mist, and I get the whole level number 4. This is what it looks like. They used to have like a really big bottle that I used to use, but I guess they condensed the size. But I really like using this to hold my curls because it lets you still run your fingers through your curls, but it's not crunchy. And so this is the final look. So baddies, that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So baddies, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.